everybody, everywhere. Go for it, buddy.
Okay, I'm gonna let them out and fly around. They're gonna play in the trees some today, so don't let that bother you. They'll come back, especially if they want something to eat later. So we're gonna let them go. We got Mikhail here, blue and gold McCullough. And we're gonna let Skylar and Cosmo out. Hybrid, you don't wanna fly.
There you go.
Facebook page.
There's some pretty good breezes up there.